Once you have completed creating and setting up your assessment, the next tab that you're going to be brought to is the questions area. This is where you're going to be compiling all of the questions that you would like the students to take. Right now this screen is blank because I have not added any questions to it, but as I do, you're going to start see them appearing in this gray area. On the left-hand column is going to be all of the different question types that are available to you. To build your first question, you'll click on the type of question that you would want to work with, and it's going to open up a new window, which is going to tell you which question number this is. The first part is going to be your question setup. In here, you're going to be able to click into this field, and you're going to notice that a rich text editor is going to open up, and in here you're going to have many tools available to you. Many of these tools you're going to be familiar with, such as creating bold or italicized or underlined options, selecting the color of your text or your font size. You'll also be able to create numbered or bulleted lists here, and then you'll be able to align your text how you would like that. You're also going to notice an option for you to be able to include an image. So if I wanted to add an image, I would determine the place that I would like to add it in the text field, and I would click on the image icon. It's then going to ask me to drag and drop or to upload this image, which I can do by clicking on the plus sign and searching through my files for which picture I would like to choose. I can click open, and this is going to be brought into here, and you have the option to be able to size this down as you would like to scale it, and when you're all finished with that, you can click OK. At any point, you can come up to the top right of your question and click the preview button, and this is going to show you what the students are going to see. If you want to get out of that preview mode, you can click on Edit Question, and it will bring you back into the setup of it. Some other options that are going to be available to you when you create your questions is going to be the adding the math function. So if you click on this, it's going to open up a math calculator for you, and you'll be able to choose from the drop down which of these tools you would like. If you ever needed to add any special characters to your question, you would be able to insert special characters by clicking on that icon. Another option that's going to be available in your specific questions is going to be this little icon that represents tools, and it looks like a little calculator and a music note. When you click on this, it's going to open up a new window that shows you that you have these options to add in these tools for this specific question only. So if you would like your students to have access to a calculator, rulers, or a protractor on this question, that would be an option. You also have the option of clicking on Audio Player. This is going to allow you to record audio right into your question, or you can upload audio that you might already have saved to your computer. You also have the same option for uploading a video that you might already have, or recording a video of yourself to add to your students. If you wanted to add any audio, when you click on Record Audio, you might get a pop-up that asks to use your microphone, which you will want to allow. If at any point you wanted to delete something from your question setup, you could just click with the mouse near it, and you can delete that. And that goes for any audio or video that you have also inserted. You do have the option of adding a video into an assessment question in Schoology, but it's going to look a little bit different in this area as opposed to in your regular class where you could click on and add an image or a video. So in order to add a video here, I'm going to just click down on my question and have this new field where I want this video to go. I don't see a video icon here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this source button, and it's going to open up this new page that has some like behind the scenes coding in it. So what I'm going to need to do is I'll need to find the video that I want to work with, and I'm going to paste a special embed code in here. So what that looks like is I'm going to go over to YouTube, and I found a video that I would like to share with the kids. Underneath the video, I am going to see a button that says Share, and when I click on this, I'm going to have several options here. I want to embed this video into my assessment question. So when I click on this Embed option, you're going to see a preview of the video here, And you're also going to see this really long code. All I need to do in order to take this code is click on the copy button in the bottom right. This is going to copy that entire code to my clipboard. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to my Schoology assessment, and when I'm back in that Schoology assessment, I've clicked on that source button. All I need to do is paste that code right into this field. When I'm done with that, I'm going to click OK, and you're going to see that this video is now embedded in your questions for your students to be able to watch. I can click Preview, and I will see that this is in there. So these are just a few of the tools that you might find helpful when you are creating your question. It is important to note that as you are going in to set up answer options for your questions, when you click in those text fields, these tools are also going to be available there. So you could have a series of options for your answers that are all image-based.